the shackle man. Oh.
Hi, Deadlock's here again. Today we're trying Shackleman Challenge P4, which is double locked peerless. Keyways up. You have to pick both double locks first with whatever tool you want. And we'll try with the bobby pin. Keep catching it. There we go. And the other side. There we go. Both sides done. Now, that's actually my favourite bobby pin, but I've already bent a bunch of tools trying to do this. I didn't want to bend my favourite bobby pin. I know, it's weird, I have a favourite bobby pin. But
his name is Bob.
Then you have to pick one side, job done, and shim the other.
Shim, shim, shim.
I have very sweaty hands because it is hot today, and that was hard. But it's done now.
Happy times.
And I learned things, which is good.
Never use peerless handcuffs.
Well, unless you want to trap Mr. Deadlocks.
Yeah.
Because I suck at peerless. But I'm getting better. That's
Slowly
all from
but
us.
surely.
That's all from us. See you next time.
Goodbye.